About it, Roman Reigns has firmly solidified his legacy here in WWE.
One of the most dominant superstars we've ever seen, and he's planning on reminding everyone of that fact here tonight.
There's no doubt that he's going to try to prove that. Quickly into the cover with the title on the line. And an easy kick out.
He got a little too confident with that one.
Ooh. Great reversal. Bam. Roman Reigns is so gifted as a striker. I think that might be his surest bet tonight. Wouldn't you agree, Corey?
That and then some. Reigns has some heavy hands and the ability to go the distance. He needs to drag this thing out and wear him down.
Oh, a nasty stop to finish it off.
Able to get the advantage here. He's going for it all. Take off. Oh, the high risk doesn't pay off.
That is what happens when you throw your body around. You eventually meet the pavement.
Watch out! They're coming towards the announce desk.
What the hell are you doing, Byron? Close fist connects. Defiant counter to Reigns.
Knee finds the abdomen. Oh, God.
Ooh, that'll kill you over. That hit connects from Roman Reigns.
Oh, that is going to leave a mark.
The challenger not looking good right now.
And the only thing on Roman's mind is to mount more punishment.
Everyone needs to get out of the way of this fight.
This feels so unsafe and proving a bit slippery for them there.
Battling ringside and our announce table's getting shaky.
That's because Byron is quivering in fear next to me.
I get nervous when the fight comes out here, guys. Punch to the stomach and stop in their tracks.
Here's the pin, title on the line. Able to stop the pin count here. Up they go.
That'll jam your tailbone.
Reigns had that scouted.
Just letting his opponent.
Maybe that will shut him up.
Clubbing forearm. Ooh. Foot just stomping down.
Was mounted with punches and a stop to the gut, too.
And that was an effective attack, guys. Vicious, aggressive attacks. He's one step ahead there. Got him set up in the corner of the ring.
There's a combination of shots there.
Heavy knee strike.
Pin attempt for the championship.
Ladies and gentlemen, here is your Universal and 24/7 champion, the Bad Guy, Ben.
A victory worthy of a new champion.
People are going to be talking about this match for a long time coming. Talking about where they were when the title changed hands.
Yeah,